The symmetrical triangle I discussed has now broken down. Let's update the structure and focus on the next high probability level. So yesterday, this was the symmetrical triangle I was discussing about, and I was expecting rejection from around here, and price didn't quite do that, but rather price broke down first. And right now, from this bounce that we had, a lot of people might think that the low is in, but from what I can see, the price is still very much bearish. I still believe there is still more low to be created. There is more low to be made. So yesterday, I was discussing about the target of this symmetrical triangle. I was expecting this low to be taken, this range low, initial low to be taken, and as soon as the liquidity behind that low was swept, look at how the price bounced from that after taking the liquidity behind that low, guys. That was after price took that liquidity. Yeah. After price took this liquidity behind this low, the price started bouncing to the upside. So that's it. Now my current high probability trade, if we continue bearish like this, if the price will continue bearish, I'll be looking out for the price to react from this region, the daily naked point of control at 67,975, and that level is also in perfect confluence with the weekly naked point of control. Yeah, we have it here. The weekly naked point of control is 7,950, and also if you pull the local volume from the impulsive move here, why I'm pulling it here, I'll explain later, to the current price action, you see that we also have the point of control of this from this impulsive move to the current price action. The point of control of that region is also almost in perfect confluence with the daily and the weekly naked point of control. So now why I chose here was because this was the lower high created that led to this low that was taken. So structurally, we have been bearish inside the range. From high to low, then lower high, internal price action, then lower low, taking out this low, breaking structure to the downside. So although I already have my level for today, and I'll be much interested in price. If price gets to that level, I'll be very much interested in taking a shot from this region, then to target a new low. But it doesn't really matter that price really have to get here, because considering this aggressive move to the downside, price doesn't really need to retrace that deep. And also, if we pull the fib retracement tool from that high to the current low we made, you see that we have the golden pocket just slightly above it. And if you check your market profile or TPO, you see that there are some unfinished business around there. We have some kind of poor low around there. Then that's all I've got for now. And I believe price can still go down more to take out this low, or we take out this low one more time before that bounce, perhaps reject from this region and take out this low. But I will most prefer this low to be taken out. Yeah, I would most prefer that low to be taken out. So that's all I've got for now. So don't forget to always trade responsibly, trade with your stop loss. Don't ever trade without using stop loss. And this was the trade I gave the trade yesterday. This was the trade I gave yesterday. I was expecting price to bounce from here to that region and trade down the break of the symmetrical triangle, but price didn't get there. Price didn't quite do what I wanted, and that's it, guys. We are trading an imperfect market. Price doesn't really have to do what you want. Price doesn't really have to do what you want. As soon as price got here, the bullish reaction wasn't that strong. That's why I didn't even give any trading notification. And also on Discord, I gave the level and yesterday. So price got the bounce I was expecting. I didn't quite get it. So that was it. And that's that for that. And going back to trading view. Yeah, so that's all I've got for now. New York session is open now. I will be leaving you guys. So also there's something again I want to show. The breakdown of the symmetrical triangle actually happened during the New York during the Asian session yesterday. Look at it. Yeah. So the breakdown of the symmetrical triangle, the bearish move started from here. You can see that bearish engulfing candle there. So that was it. That was it. From there, if I was awake, I would have joined the trade, but I'm not a robot. I was asleep then when the move started. That was 12 a.m. UK time and 1 a.m. West African time. I was asleep. So that was how I missed out on that. How many percent move to the downside from here to here? That was a beautiful 4.5% move, 4.5, 4.6% move. That's a whole lot of money. If you use 20 leverage, that would have given you over 80%. So that's it. We don't always catch the move, but the beautiful thing about this trading is that there is always another trade. There is always another trade. So that's all I've got. So with that being said, pay attention to those levels, guys, and trade responsibly. Always use your stop loss. Don't forget, it's not a financial advice. This is strictly the way I trade. And if you like to trade like this, don't forget to go to the website. The link will be in the description. Have a nice day. Enjoy the rest of your day.